Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email ID on Facebook in Facebook Lite app. So you can see is the Facebook Lite app. So you need to click here right top corner on your screen. It's called three line. Simply click on three line, and this is the menu option. You have to click here the settings. So under settings and privacy, you will see the first option settings. Simply click on settings, and then here you'll see the option personal and account information. So this is the option we are going to edit. You can see name, email address and phone number, but simply click on email address. For your kind information, you can't able to edit your email if your email only primary. So if you want to edit that email, then you have to add second email. So you can see the below add email address. Once you click there, then you have to give your second email address here. So I'm just going to type an email, so my email address, and then add email. So you can see a two email address I added. Now you can confirm, you can change your email account email ID. Okay, if you want to select primary one, then you can change or you can delete any email. So okay friend, you can try, it's really easy. So today's number, and thank you for watching.